Greetings everyone. I am Sukrutha RAO. I am working as a data science and business analytics intern at the SPARKS Foundation. As part of this internship, I would like to demonstrate task 2, which is prediction using unsupervised machine learning. The aim of this task is from the given iris dataset, we need to predict the optimum number of clusters and represent it visually. The IDE is Jupyter Notebook. Language is Python 3. Now we have the various steps or algorithm to complete this task. Step 1, we need to import all the required data set. Step 2, we need to visualize the data by calculating values like mean, standard deviation, minimum value, etc. Step 3, we need to find the optimum number of clusters using the elbow method. By using this optimum number, we can determine k-means classifier model. Step 4, applying k-means clustering on the data and predicting the output. Step 5, we need to visualize the clusters and observe the output. Next, we are importing the required libraries, and after importing the required libraries, we need to ignore the warnings. I have downloaded the data set from the given link and it is present in the local storage. Next, we need to read the iris CSV file. Now, I am looking at the top 5 data of the dataset. The next step is to determine the shape of the dataset. Now, we need to look at the different columns present in the dataset. In this column, I am looking at the species column. In this species column, we need to find the different unique values present in the species column. Now, as we can see, we can read the information regarding the different species present in the species column. Next step is to determine different and various parameters or values like mean, standard deviation, minimum value, etc. Now, we need to drop a label column since it is an unsupervised learning problem. Next, we are calculating the within cluster sum of square for the cluster range 1 to 15. Next, after finding those cluster values, we can plot the within cluster sum of square values against the cluster range 1 to 15. In this graph, as you can see, it's clearly seen that after the value 3, the cluster range, the within cluster sum of square value is not decreasing significantly. Thus, we can take the number of cluster as 3. Using this number 3, we can create k-means classifier model and also predict the values using this model. Now, to find the array of numbers, we can use the function predictions. Finally, the last step is to visualize the predictions using the scatter plot. As you can see, this is the plotting of the cluster centers. This is the end of task 2. Thank you.